here and welcome back to my channel. So you have seen the title of my vlog and my thumbnail, and I received a package from BABYFLO Philippines. Thank you so much, BABYFLO.
Oh my God! Wow!
So, a brief background muna tayo kung bakit ako naka-receive ng package kay BABYFLO. Okay, so I am a member of Mommies Help Group PH. I'm sorry. This group, please do add this group as well kasi ang dami-dami nitong natutulong. And because of this group as well, kaya ako naka-receive ng package sa BABYFLO. Okay, so I am one of the moderators. Also, shout out sa admin namin, Sis Georgia, mega love shout out, and the rest of the admins and moderators ng Mommies Help Group PH. So, ayun. Because of this group, I received a message from one of the, ano ba yun? Yung exact na message na sinend sa akin. So, a representative from BABYFLO sent me a message that as one of the moderators of Mommies Help Group PH, we are happy to inform you that you have been chosen as one of the lucky moms to receive BABYFLO gift packs. So, ayun, if you're interested, do send us a message sa FB account nila. So, I'll be posting on the description as well their FB account para makita rin ninyo yung mga items nila. And, ayun. So, of course, I'm interested. So, I sent them a message and I fill out those forms. This was sent last November 24. November 24 pa siya. So, actually nga, nakalimutan ko na. And this morning, we were so happy to receive a package from LBC. Ayan. Box na siya. Laki-laki box. So, kaya ngayon, unbox na natin siya kung anong mga laman. Excited! Hahanapin ka na naman ng mga momshies. This is nice. So, may box pa siya sa loob from BABYFLO. So, ayan, ang ganda ng box. May pa-ribbon pa. So, tamang-tama for Christmas. From BABYFLO, it comes with this. Saying, mahalaga sa mga nanay ang bonding moments kasama ang mga chikitings, of course, para lagi masaya and to make the most out of each precious moments. Katuwang ng bawat ina ang BABYFLO from feeding time to playtime and bath time para sa kumpleto gamit ni baby na high quality at abot kaya, mag BABYFLO na. Wow! So, thank you so much. Ayan, inside are those some items nila with the benefits. Ayan. So, please do check out their websites and Facebook accounts and other accounts, and I'll be posting it in the description below. So, please do check that as well. So, yeah. Kanino to? Ay, kay Luna. Kay Luna, tapos kanino? Ay, Jerry. Very good. Yung mga ano yung pagka-ribbon. Ayokong sirain. Ayan. Kaya na ko pa. Luma.
Luma? Okay. Luma? Hello, Chef.
So, hi everyone.
Hey, Mom!
Wow! Dami-daming laman. Para to kay Ate Luna. Tapos yung baby. Si baby. Look at that! Daming laman.
Oh my God! Wow!
Ngayon, titingnan natin isa-isa at sasamahan ako dito ni Ate Luna. Say hi!
Hi! Listen! Mom?
Very good. Isa-isahin natin yung laman. Ano to?
Baby yan.
Sa baby yan. So,
Yan,
meron
baby.
pacifier.
Nang,
Yes po.
yung baby na Jim.
Yung kay baby ni mama sa tiyan. Yun, kasi po, pregnant din yung sister-in-law ko, yung asawa ng brother ko. Kaya saktong-sakto lang, yung mga pang-babies dito na yung hindi na rin magagamit ng baby ko since 1-year-old up na siya, magagamit ng susunod na baby. So, thank you so much, Baby Flo. Grabe, parang blessing in disguise yung pag-PM ninyo sa akin. So, yun.
So, may powder, petroleum, ano yan, baby oil. Ay, baby cologne. Mabango. So, ito sila tumbler. So, lang cute. So, like that. Tapos, so, merong nipples. White duck nipple. Ay, ano to? Ay, meron din daw wipes. Very good. Tapos ito, ano to? Ano pa to? Wait, spring. Oh, this one. Sa baby din. Ito, ano to? Shampoo. Saan gamit ang shampoo? Ay, ligo doon. Very good. Oh, ito, ano ito? Wipes pa rin. Oh, ano yan? No, ano yan? Pakita mo dito. Sabi mo, ano yan? Lotion. Ito, ganun din. So, lotion, meron also for bath. Pawisan kami. Cologne. Another cologne. So, different baby oil. 2 types of baby oil. So, ano bang difference? So, light one and the regular one. So, yung nasa brochure kanina, I think kinuha nandito sa loob. So, baby bath, regular. There's another tumbler. Ang cute. And last one is yung petroleum Jessie. Jessie? Ano to? Baso. Baso. Ayan. So, ang dami-dami. That's the last one.
Look at that. So, ayan, nakita na ninyo. Thank you so much, Baby Flo Philippines, for sending me all these items. Tuwan-tuwa ang baby Ate Luna. May magagamit na rin ng... So, makakadagdag na sa mga ginagamit namin. Especially the wipes. So, ayun. Also, thank you so much, Sis Georgia of Mommies Help Group PH. Dahil sa inyo, or dahil sa group, kaya I have been chosen to be one of those na mapapadala ng gift pack. So, please do add this group as well. That's it for today, for the unboxing. This was my second unboxing. So, nakakatuwa naman. Again, I'll be posting Baby Flo's PH website and Facebook account, or kung ano pa man yung account na account nila on the description. Please check the description below. Okay, so sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe, please do subscribe, like, comment, and please click that bell button para po ma-notify kayo sa mga next videos and more unboxing na gagawin ko. So, thank you for watching. Bye for now. Say bye-bye, baby.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Love you. Mwah, mwah.